You are listening to the Audio Missile Podcast.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Audio Missile Podcast.
Audio Missile.
Thank you for listening, and make sure you guys like us and subscribe. We're on YouTube, on Instagram. Make sure you follow us on YouTube and subscribe. Okay? All right. I'm here with Manuel and Cordell. Okay, guys. Have you ever had a fantasy of moving to Costa Rica with a bunch of hot models and then not showering?
Oh.
Just giving up on soap and water completely. Just for drinking. That's it. No water on the body unless it goes inside.
I couldn't do it.
No? Well,
What?
some guy did. Tell us about this guy, Cordell.
Well, I'll tell you, he goes by the name of Master Chief, Nature Boy, but my favorite is Messiah Demigod. His real name
Messiah
is
Demigod.
Eligio Bishop, and he has his own cult. You know, your boy went down to Costa Rica. Well, you know what? Let me back up. Let me tell you more about the story. He had his own channel on YouTube, doing good, 85,000 subscribers,
Wow.
talking about different spiritual topics. This good-looking brother, tall, buffed out,
Like
supermodel.
me, but black.
Yeah, exactly,
Okay.
exactly, my boy. And you know,
Got
and
it.
he started getting a lot of followers, went down to Costa Rica, got him a nice piece of paradise and a bunch of supermodels. But that's when it takes a turn.
Okay, he has to have
Where-
money because women ain't just going to go with you if you're
No,
a
he's
broke
good
ass.
looking. He's got money.
Dude, more
Wait,
than
man,
good looks,
Lethal,
he
what's
got-
up, my boy?
What's going
So
on?
he's a former barber, a model, a
Yeah.
gay escort, a stripper, and a porn star.
Prostitute.
Okay, so he's a gay escort
He's a gay escort, yes, sir.
and he's proud of that.
Well,
Why
by his own
not?
admission, it's not hearsay.
So is he just doing that? Like, you know, some people want to have a lot of like, oh, I do this, I do that.
Let's just say he's a jack of all trades.
Jacker off of all trades. Now listen, there's more to the story. Before that, in Georgia, he had some felonies. I went and did some research, and your boy had theft, forcible entry, aggravated assault.
Force of entry into what? A woman or an animal?
I'm just saying, my boy. So he goes down to Costa Rica, has his supermodels, but one of the things with this cult is that you don't get to take a shower.
So it's the cult of the stinky
Clam?
arm and the stinky clam.
Lamb? No, I'm telling you, my boy, and these girls
So
are sexy.
I mean, these guys are models. I mean, they
It's
want-
the Linus cult, that little dirty guy with the cloud and the
So he convinced these women
Is there
to
like a
not
copyright on
shower.
that guy or what?
He was like,
No,
you know
I'm
what? I have
telling
an
you.
idea. Bathing is bad for you. You know what
Yeah,
they're
no.
saying?
But you know, so they kicked him out of Costa Rica. So your boy, he goes to Nicaragua and sets up shop. Boom, 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 gets kicked out. Where does he go? Panama. Guess what? They declare him a national threat, national security threat to the country.
So he's on a tour of Latin America or what?
Cordell, he started off in Honduras.
Oh, wait, he did Honduras too?
Then from there, he went to Belize. From Belize, he went to Costa Rica. From
What?
Costa Rica, he went to Nicaragua.
Okay.
From Nicaragua, he went to Panama. He even went as far as going back up into Mexico, and then that's when he decided to go back into.
How is he funding all this shit? Is the first question I have. Is he like a millionaire or what?
No, dude, 85,000 subscribers with his viral videos. He's doing good. But you know,
But he's constantly moving. Where are they sending the money to?
no,
His bank account?
dude, part of his cult is you got to sign over your bank accounts to him. Oh, I didn't tell you that part? Oh, I left that part out. When you join his cult, you sign everything over to
That's
old
insane. Why
boy.
would you even join a cult like that? I
Hey,
don't know
now
why-
check it out. So,
I'll join a cult. They gave me money. I don't want to give you guys anything.
well, when they kicked him out of fucking Panama, when he went to the airport, they wouldn't let your boy and his cult on the plane, even though they were kicking him out of the country because he smelled so bad. The people on the plane were complaining.
He smelled so bad.
So he had to take a different
They kicked
flight,
him out
even
of
though
the
he was
plane.
getting kicked out of the country. That even
smelled
then
so
they're like,
bad.
"Nah, fuck that. You ain't getting on the plane, my boy."
Well, listen to this.
Wow. Yeah, because a plane is like an enclosed, basically a tin can with wings, and they're recirculating the same air. And I'm pretty sure they don't have a carbon filter on that shit. So,
Oh, dude.
everybody was gonna get a whiff of
listen to
him.
this. There's a video of Bishop abusing one of the wives while he's holding a baby,
What?
and then he's bragging about it.
No, your boy's dirty.
About beating another woman. His cult is abusive to women.
Yeah. So so here's what happened. here's where the story turns. Okay, this is how it came on our radar. As of this morning, the Hawaiian government arrested him. You know, he had went to Hawaii somehow, and there in Hawaii, they got that 2-week quarantine where once you get to Hawaii, you got to stay in the motel room for 2 weeks.
Put for 2 weeks, yeah.
And then you could go to the beach. Well, they're like, fuck that. Some of them went to hide in the fern forest. Other homies went to Puna. You know, they got, and let me explain something. In Puna, Hawaii, they got something called Puna rats. It's a term. That's why I was asking you earlier, the difference between raton
like Puna.
and rata. Because in Hawaii, they got a term called Puna rats. And those are these surfer boys and dreadlock homies and criminals that hang out at the beaches there and just rob people. They go to Hawaii. Because if you're going to be homeless, go be homeless in Hawaii. And
Like when you leave your stuff on the beach while you go into the water.
Woo, 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 woo,
I thought
woo.
Come on, and all your stuff's gone.
Yeah, the Puna rats. Well, I'm telling you, my boy.
Yeah, you were.
Well, they went over there and set up shop. Immediately, someone spotted him. You know why they spotted him? His silly little fucking cult was playing with the turtles. They're picking up the turtles, and these Hawaiians said, "Hey, bro, no good. Call the shoots. No, call the
endangered species turtles.
Yeah." They called the cops on them. Put these boys in jail.
You are listening to the Audio Missile Podcast.